तो ପିଲାମାନେ ଆଜି ଏଇ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ଏ ସାଲ୍ମ ଅଫ୍ ଲାଇଫ୍ର କିଛି ବସ୍ତୁନିଷ୍ଠ ପ୍ରଶ୍ନୋତ୍ତର ଗୁଡ଼ିକୁ ଆଲୋଚନା କରିବା। ହ୍ୱାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଏ ସାଲ୍ମ? ଏ ଷ୍ଟୋରି, ଆନ୍ ଇନଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ସନ୍, ଏ ୱେ ଅଫ୍ ଲାଇଫ୍, ଏ ହାଇମନ୍? ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ ଏ ହାଇମନ୍। ହୁ ଡଜ୍ ଦ ପୋଏଟ୍ ଆଡ୍ରେସ୍ ଇନ୍ ଦ ଓପନିଂ ଲାଇନ୍ସ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ପୋଏମ୍ ଏ ସାଲ୍ମ ଅଫ୍ ଲାଇଫ୍? ଦ ରିଡର୍ସ, ହିଜ୍ ଫ୍ରେଣ୍ଡସ୍, ଦୋଜ୍ ହୁ ସେ ଲାଇଫ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଅନରିଅଲ୍, ଦୋଜ୍ ହୁ mourn? ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ those who say life is unreal, who say in mournful numbers that life is but an empty dream. Psalmist, poets, churches, some people. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ psalmist. How is the soul that is inactive, sluggish, slow, dead, useless? ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ dead. According to the poet, things are not dash, what they look, what they seem, how they feel, how they act. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ what they seem. How is life? Real and honest, real and adventurous, real and full of suffering, real and joyous. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ real and honest. What is not the aim of life? Earning money, living like a dead man, death, working like a donkey. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ death. What is not life's goal? Riches, power, religion, grave. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ grave. What does biblical expression dost thou art to dost thou returnest signify? Human body is made of dust. Man is mortal. Man can live through good deeds. Man will lie in the earth after death. ଉତ୍ତର ହେବ man is mortal. Question number 10. What is said for only the body and not for the soul? Dust thou art, to dust thou returnest. And grave is not its goal, and things are not what they seem. Art is long and time is fleeting. Uttara heba. Dust thou art, to dust thou returnest. How should a soul be? Free from worldly desires, full of life, full of energy, lost in religion. Uttara heba. Full of life. What shouldn't be our destined way or goal? Honest living, fruitful life, pleasure and grief, future. Uttara heba. Pleasure and grief. How should a man act to make his future better, to make his life better, to make his earnings useful, to lead a healthy life? Uttara heba. To make his future better. How should be each tomorrow? Better than yesterday, better than today, far away from today, far away from yesterday. Uttara heba. Better than today. What is learn? Knowledge and learning, human evolution, human history, human art and craft. Uttara heba. Knowledge and learning. What does art is long and time is fleeting imply? Time is flying and art is very long to complete. Life is short to acquire enough knowledge. Human genius lasts long, but time doesn't. Creativity and learning are matters of time. Uttara heba. Life is short to acquire enough knowledge. How are our hearts? Scared and shy, brave and cheerful, stout and brave, stout and cheerful. Uttara heba. Stout and brave. Question number 18. What do you understand by muffled drums, gentle drums, covered drums, silent drums, big drums? Uttara heba. Covered drums. What are the sounds of the beating heart compared to funeral marches, war songs, funeral hymnal? Uttara heba. Funeral marches. Why are heartbeats compared to funeral marches? Because they make similar sound. Because they remind us of death. Because with each beat they inch us towards death. Because they tell us that We will die when they stop. Uttara hai ba. Because with each beat, they inch us towards death. What does the poet compare the world with? A great battle, a broad battlefield, a big graveyard, a temporary camp. Uttara hai ba. A broad battlefield. What does the poet say about life? A temporary camp, a beautiful tale, a never ending dream, a fierce war. Uttara hai ba. A temporary camp. What does the word bivouac mean? A psalm, a war, a catastrophe, a temporary camp. Uttara hai ba. A temporary camp. How should we be in the battle of life? Sober, a hero, a legend, like cattle. Uttara hai ba. A hero. Who are dom driven cattle? Those who fight, those who act sensibly, those who don't act, those who don't care for others. Uttara hai ba. Those who don't act. Which of the following means conflict, battle, bivouac, strife, stride? Uttara hai ba. Strife. What should we never trust? Past, present, future, life. Uttara hai ba. Future. Question number 28. The poet advises us not to trust dash, however pleasant or positive it may seem. Future, past, present, promises. Uttara hai ba. Future. What should we do? Live in the present, believe in God, trust no future. All of the above. Uttara hai ba. All of the above. Why should we live in the present? Because this is what is correct. Because it will make the God happy. Because we have control over our past. Because we cannot change our future. Uttara hai ba. Because this is what is correct. What do lives of great men remind us? How we can live in present, how not to dwell in the past. We can make our lives noble. We can be heroes of the battle. Uttara hai ba. We can make our lives noble. What do we leave behind when we die? Our good deeds, our past, our mark, our riches. Uttara hai ba. Our good deeds. Where do we leave our footprints? On the sands, on time, in the history, quicksands. Uttara hai ba. In the history. Whom will our sublime lives inspire? Those who progress on the path of sublimity, those who live in present, those who make their future good, those who strive to success. Uttara hai ba. Those who progress on the path of sublimity. Question number 37. Lives of great men also inspire those who have failed in life and feel dash, hopeless, lost in the ocean of life, motivated, wrecked. Uttara hai ba. Lost in the ocean of life. How would the lives of noble men help those in distress? By calming them, by showing them good future, by inspiring and making them optimistic, by telling them motivating tales. Uttara hai ba. By inspiring and making them optimistic. What does with a heart for any fate mean? Ready to face any situation, ready wholeheartedly, ready to lead a happy life, ready for future. Uttara hai ba. Ready to face any situation. What does the poet advise the readers? To work and progress, to labor and have patience, to learn and prosper, have a fearless heart. Uttara hai ba. To labor and have patience. What is fleeting? Life, time, noble deeds, death. Uttara hai ba. Time. What does still achieving, still pursuing mean? Continuously making progress and seeking improvement, leading a successful and inspiring life, never submit and fighting continuously, always achieving and pursuing. Uttara hai ba. Continuously making progress and seeking improvement. Question number 43. Henry Wadsworth Longfellow is a or an dash poet. English, American, Irish, Scottish. उत्तर है ब American. Longfellow is the first American citizen to be honored in dash in London, England. Poets Corner of Westminster Abbey. Literature, Nobel Literate. Poets Foundation of Westminster Abbey. उत्तर है ब Poets Corner of Westminster Abbey. A psalm of life belongs to the genre of poetry called dash. Caperdine, nobility, carpe diem, inspirational poems. उत्तर है ब carpe diem. Carpe diem means dash, seize the day, live long, live noble, live in the moment. उत्तर है ब seize the day. What does honest means? Sincere, serious, critical, vital. उत्तर है ब serious. What does the fallen and shipwrecked brother mean? One who has failed in life, one who is distressed at his own moral, both A and B, one who is distressed on a shipwreck. उत्तर है ब both A and B. What does take heart again imply? Find courage to overcome difficulties, be inspired, be happy, be optimistic. उत्तर है ब find courage to overcome difficulties. Which word in the poem A Psalm of Life means ocean? Solemn, shipwreck, main, broad. उत्तर है ब main.